Yeah, hi. This video is about the antigenicity and the immunogenicity and the factors influencing it. So, immunogenicity is the ability to induce a humoral or the B cell mediated and this or cell mediated or the T cell mediated immune response. Any substance which has the ability to induce an immune response and produce antibody are known as the immunogenic substances. So there is two types of immunogenic response, that is humoral immunity and the cell mediated immunity. So figure is through the flowchart we can see the difference between the humoral and immunogenicity and the cell mediated immunogenicity. So the factors that influence immunogenicity is the first one is the foreignness. When a substance is introduced into an organism, the degree of its immunogenicity depends on the degree of its foreignness. So more foreign a molecule is, more is its immunogenicity. So it is directly proportional. Example are here, that is BSA, bovine serum albumin is collected from the cow, is injected into rabbits which has no BSA, and the immunogenic foreign substances reaction is carried out. Next factor is the molecular size. The relatively large substances have increased immunogenicity and vice versa. So it is also directly proportional. Next factor is the molecular complexity. The molecules with complex nature are more immunogenic compared to the molecules with less complex nature. So it is also directly proportional to the influence of the immunogenicity. So examples like homopolymer and the heteropolymer. Heteropolymer have increased immunogenicity while the homopolymer have no immunogenicity. Next factor is the stability or the degradability. The development of both humoral and the cell mediated and immune response require interaction of the T cell with antigen that has been processed and presented together with the MSC molecule. The macromolecules that cannot be degraded and presented with the macrohistocompatibility complex molecules are poor immunogens. Therefore, a substance must be degradable in order to be immunogenic. The figure is the antigen presenting cell from the MHC complex with the help of the T cells. Antigenicity, the antigen determinant, that is epitope, is the part of the antigen which will recognized by the receptor, that is paratope, and present on B cells and T cells. The substance which has the ability to attach to the antibody and T cell receptor but they cannot produce them are referred to as antigenicity. Example are the heptins. So all immunogens are the antigen, but all antigens are not immunogens. This is very important in line for the examination or objective purpose. Heptans are the antigenic but incapable of including response, hence they lack immunogenicity. So here is a difference between the immunogenicity and the antigenicity. So here is a video on the immunogenicity and the antigenicity and the factor influencing it. So thank you and keep watching.